What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I'm playing this card game. It's a good game. I like to play it. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to my channel, Shemar. And yeah, let's get this video started. And I'm just playing on what mode I'm playing on. I don't even know, bro. So we just do a drive and no, go over there. Go on the other side. Oh man, why did I do that? I crashed. Why? Who knows why I did that? What? Boom, go up, go up, go up. Yeah, I know that. It's a fact. You just crashing every time, bro. It's every time crashing. I'm just crashing every minute. Crash, no, don't. You can't crash with the bus. I don't know about that. No. What am I doing? I can't even go faster miles. Ooh, let's crash the fire truck. Go up, go up, go up. Oh man, I suck. I don't. Sometimes I do. The arrows ain't working again. Why ain't you working again? You gotta keep that up. You got. This game's kind of fun, but it's acting stupid because I try to push arrows and it don't want to work. Or that's stupid. It's bugging. It's lagging. It just don't want to work the way I want it to work. Did I miss? What did I miss? I knew it. It's the game that is causing this issue. I don't know why he's doing that, but come on, yo. Come on now. Okay. That's a good one. That's a good way. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah. You can whistle. Here we go again with the mess. Here we go again. Man. You gotta go up there. Ooh. No, we missed again. I knew it. We missed. Refresh. Now we go to the airport. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in the airport. I can't go up there. I don't know why. Oh. No. I flipped over. And I messed up a mission again, which is 130. Now I'm gonna go back up there again, so we turn back around. No, I'm turning around, I'm gonna go back up there. No, I'm leaving. I'm at the crash. Whoa, look at that. Go that way. I'm just gonna turn or something. No, we got. What am I doing? Am I like? I'm just spinning my circles. Ooh, that was a big crash over there. No, we got. I knew that was nervous. I just knew it at the beginning. The same beginning. I can't. I just can't. It's just a bonus, $59. What's that gonna give me? Nothing. I don't got my coins. I don't got the skills to play this game. You gotta be kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Why am I going so slow? It's the cars. I made it. No way. Finally, guys. At the third time, I made it. That was us. See, God's with us. If you're not subscribed to our channel, Shemar Shorts or Shemar, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. Thank you. I love you all the best. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. This will go up tomorrow at 2 p.m. Well, look how fast I'm going. Look how fast. Comment below what's your favorite car and what's your favorite color of the car. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video when this is over. Oh, whoa, that was an outstanding joke. Yeah, I love you guys. Stay safe. Thank you for 800 subscribers. And see you next time. I'm Shemar. I love to make YouTube shorts on both channels. Shemar Shorts. Peace.